Hello everyone, this is Charles BridgTec with another product review, this time from AVAPOW. Now this here is a jump starter plus a power bank. Now this model is the A17. Now I was sent this by AVAPOW directly. They wanted me to feature this on my channel. They wanted me to test and review it. It comes in this box. These have really come in handy for me in the past, and them being so compact in their design and construction is amazing. Now according to this is a 12 volt 2000 amp. So 2000 amps on this is basically 600 cold cranking amps to jump start your vehicle. That's still a lot of power, especially for the size. So let's wait no further. Let's open this up, see what's in. Now I did fully charge this before the review. Wanted to make sure that everything was charged up and ready for this video. Now the nice thing about this one compared to any of the other ones that I've reviewed, this has a wireless charging feature for your cell phone or other device that has that capability. So the case is nice, hard style case with a zipper. Pulls everything up nice and tight and feels good. Alright, start off with the accessories, of course. This does have the LCD display for the charging volts. Cables feel good, got a lot of resistance in there. Pretty straightforward on that. Here's the AVAPOW card. They want to hear from you, plus you can download their transparency app if you want. You have the user manual, and it is pretty nice and well detailed. Now I've used these not on my own vehicle, but I've helped out more people than myself with it. But critical times when I needed my vehicle started, especially I'm driving another family's vehicle, I've got to go to where they're at, grab this little thing out. It's amazing for their size to be able to jump start your vehicle. It's just critical for anybody driving on the road. Here's the USB Type-C charging cable. Comes in handy. That's to charge the unit. Now let's go ahead and take the unit out. Yeah, this is really heavy actually. Probably weighs about 4 or 5 pounds. Heavier than some of the other ones that I've dealt with. There it is. My understanding, this is the charging for the wireless. Let me grab my phone out and let's try it out, see how it works. Alright, I've got my phone here. Alright, so now let's go ahead and turn this on. Got 100% battery power, of course. Now let's see if my phone will charge. And there it goes. Wirelessly charging my phone. Now, according to the literature, it's only a 10-watt charging output on the wireless, so it's going to be basically your standard rate of charging. But this being wireless, huge plus. amazing technology. I do have some Bluetooth speakers that have this same capability, and comes in very handy, especially when you're listening to Bluetooth from your phone like Pandora, and have that set on top of your Bluetooth speaker, and you're charging your cell phone and keeping your music going for a lot longer periods of time. Lift it up. Yep. Put it back on the charger here. There it goes. So now I'm going to go ahead and try to see if it'll charge this way as well. Yep. As long as the device you're using and charging is centered on this jump starter, you should be fine. Yep, still charging. Alright. Well, that's nice to know, and a very nice feature to have. Now, the jump starter will automatically cycle off. I noticed that the power button doesn't shut it off. So now we'll go to the other power button, and that runs the light that's built into it here. As you can see, all the LEDs. So now we're going to go ahead, press and hold that down. Kind of a flood beam there. Does have some overlapping because of the LED placement. You can see there, huge wide light pattern. And we have flashing. We have SOS. And then one click turns it off. Here's the charging output for the jumper cables. Here's the USB port here, and a USB port there. That is the Type-C input for the charger to be able to charge this device. And if you use the wireless feature, you don't even need the USB output on that. Now, the ruggedness of this feels good. ABS plastic, has rubber ends here, even on the sides, so feels really rugged. This particular model from this company is on the heavier side than some of my other ones, and that could be due to the fact that it has the additional wireless feature of the charger. Here's the information on the bottom. So we're going to go ahead and do a demonstration of the light out in my garage, and let's see how much we see with it. We are in here in the darkness of my garage to do the AVAPOW jump starter flashlight demonstration. See how it does. Very nice wide beam on this. I'm holding it right here above the camera. Keep it stationary. Look at how wide that is. One whole half of my garage is lit up. Messy. I'm trying to get all my components updated, new belts, the whole 9 yards. So now that it's warmer weather, hopefully I'll be able to get all my equipment back into my house. So that's very nice wide beam, impressive. Click it, of course, has the strobe effect. Click it again, has the SOS. One more time, turns it off. Okay, welcome back. Hope you enjoyed that demonstration. This is definitely pure flood. So if you are stranded and you've got to walk, you've got this here. It's going to have a lot of run time with this battery pack built into this for those LEDs. So you've got that. Should you have to walk somewhere, you do have a flashlight, or you have a flashlight to be able to help you see what you're doing when jump starting your vehicle. Once you have the cables hooked up and you're ready to jump start, you can easily turn off the flashlight to conserve the battery to jump that vehicle. Once you've got it jump started, you can turn the light back on to be able to see what you're doing. So really comes in handy. The wireless feature charging on this is a huge plus. I've never seen it on a jump starter, so this is nice. Got to give props up to AVAPOW. I don't have a vehicle to jump start with it now, but I will be trying it out once I do get a vehicle that needs to be jump started, whether it be a neighbor, someone I don't know. I will jump start the vehicle and see how it does. And I'm pretty sure by my experience with these, including other manufacturers, this is going to easily be able to jump start just about any vehicle, V8, V6, or 4-cylinder. Should be no problem. Alright, well, I want to thank AVAPOW for sending me this A17 to review. Now, if this is something you are interested in getting, I will leave a link down in the description where you can get this. And I'm also working on a special discount code to add to it. Once I do, that'll be there, and that should help you save some money on this jump starter, just in case you're interested in getting it. Well, that's it for me. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please share, like, and subscribe. That way I can bring more of these products from AVAPOW to you in the future. Thanks for watching. Take care.